Guys, I gotta talk to you about something very, very important. At least important to me. Maybe it's important to you as well. Do you hate it when you get into your truck and your shoes are dirty, your job site's all muddy, or maybe you're somewhere not like Arizona, where I'm at, where you got mud and snow and ice and all this crap on your shoes? Maybe you're a cowboy. Maybe you got actual, you know, on your shoes, right? This is what my truck looks like right now. Typically, this is all pretty clean. I had a manufacturer reach out and say, hey, instead of having your truck dirty and clean, or, you know, like, look at all this, right? That was just from this morning. That's just today. I keep this thing pretty clean all the time. So they reached out and said, hey, we got something for you. I had a manufacturer reach out and say, hey, we got a fix for your problem, because they watched one of my videos where I got in the truck with muddy shoes, which happens all the time because I'm on these job sites all the time. And I was mad. I was like, man, I'm getting my truck all dirty and it's up to me to clean it. So these people reached out, Lasfit, and said, hey, we got something for you. Now, typically their boxes are, you know, box shaped, but it came FedEx. So, you know. So let me get these things open, take a look. All right, let's do a little size comparison. So that's the driver's side. This right here in the shade is going to be the passenger side. Passenger side, kind of comparable. Driver's side, wow, look at the difference. It's got the big side, more up on top. Let's just do this. There you go. Look at all that extra coverage. So these might be a little, you know, shipping, might have been stuck in there a little bit. I'm just gonna leave them in the sun for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna throw them in the truck and see what happens. Here we go. Now this, you get in with dirty shoes. Not that I get in on this side with dirty shoes. This is usually my wife's side, but you know, wives are dirty, guys, you know? So when she spills her water or whatever right here, look at that, you can just sweep it right out. Doesn't touch any of the carpet, that'll come right out. And it's a little, it's gonna sit in the heat a little bit, and then that'll lay down nice and flat. Not too worried about it. We are in Arizona, of all places. Let's go check out the other side. Now, this side, look at this. I can get in with my dirty shoes, not gonna get my carpet dirty. This overlaps onto the plastic here, boom, gone. Now these aren't rubber, these are a different material. These are pretty impervious. I mean, I could probably hit it with my knife. Nothing happens. And that's a nice sharp blade. So I'm pretty happy with these. Gotta appreciate the guys over at Lasfit. They gave me a good deal on these. Basically, they sent them to me and said, hey, tell us what you think. I like them. So that'll keep my truck cleaner, you know, a lot cleaner than it usually has been. So good deal. Now, if you want to get yourself a pair, we're set. I still got to pull the back out and put all of my stuff in the back. We'll get that taken care of here in just a few minutes. I'm not going to show you that process because, I mean, really, it's kind of boring. So check the link in the description. Use my code. You get 20% off. And these are pretty good. I mean, if you got a newer truck, you want to keep that thing clean. We spend a lot of money on our trucks. Most of us spend a lot of time in our trucks, right? So especially if you got kids or a wife. I know my wife makes a mess. She's gonna kill me for saying that, but she makes a mess wherever she goes. So I'm gonna get a set for her car. I'm gonna get a set for my Jeep. I already got a set for the Ford, so hell yeah, brother. Check the link in the description. Use my code, 20% off. Let's go.